Hi everyone, this is Shayla with Threefold News, and I'm here with Lorenzo Alexander of the Arizona Cardinals at the Sam Acho Hope for Life Celebrity Auction.
That's a lot right there.
I know. How are you doing?
I'm doing good tonight, having a good time.
That's great. So how long have you known Sam, and how did you get involved with this charity?
Well, I just became a free agent to the Cardinals this year, so I've known him maybe about 8 months, and he's a great man of God, strong man of character, and everything that you see and hear about, he lives up to every little bit of that. And obviously, I've become a good friend of his, and I'm a part of it because he asked me to come out, and always trying to support a teammate, and especially a guy that's doing such a great work in the community.
That's awesome. So you're saying that your wife is in the show tonight.
Yeah.
Are you walking with her, or is she just modeling, or you don't know?
I really don't know. I'm going to probably end up going up there with her anyway. I know they was teaching people how to model and walk the catwalk anyway, so that's something I want to know how to do anyway, because, I think I could be GQ,
okay.
Big and sexy. That's the way I go. So, but we'll see. Hopefully I'll be able to get there with her.
Are you going to auction on any of your teammates? Like, if they don't get any bids, would you be willing to help?
No, not at all. I'm going to actually make fun of them.
If they don't get any bids.
So I'm not going to put my name there. I'm just going to make fun of them.
That's awesome. Oh, lastly, actually, the game was amazing yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
It was so awesome. Were you guys kind of stressing out on the sidelines, or were you like, okay, we got this?
No, I mean, it's always exciting to go out and play. And anytime you have a great week of practice and prepare like the guys prepare, we've been playing on fire week in and week out. You're never nervous. You just want to go out there, have a good showing, and those guys did it. And it's a great job of what they've been able to do and how far they've come since the beginning of the season.
That's great. Well, thank you so much, and have a good time tonight with your wife.
All right, I appreciate it. You too.
This is Shayla with Threefold News.